Hi everyone, it is July 3rd, 2024. Hope everyone is doing well. Well, folks, I always tell you, right, that I like to buy things when they break immediately because I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring, right? And this is a perfect example of what I mean. So, what I have here, right, is the old iPad, right? This is an iPad 5th generation, right? It's gold on the back, nothing really to see. And this came out in 2017. I have to clean it before I send it to where I have to send it. So this was mainly used for, this isn't my main iPad. This is the iPad I use for over by the bar. And what I usually use it for mainly is just to look at the camera, my porch camera, right? That's what I mainly used it for. I really didn't use it for anything else. If I want to look up the weather maybe quickly, or recipes. That's another thing I use it for. When I'm talking to you guys and I'm doing recipes, right? I use this as a recipe thing. So I can quickly glance at it and see the recipes I need. And I'm using it as, like, let's say, a third screen. So that's another thing I use it for, things like that. But unfortunately, this iPad, being so old, like 7 years old, it no longer held a charge, right? So I could charge this up all the way. I could charge, you see it. Okay, wait, you'll see what I did. You see what I did, wait. It'll work now because, watch. And I reset it. I deleted it and reset it, right? I deleted it and reset it. Anyway, I'll show you that when it comes on. So it no longer held a charge, and when I had it up to 100% and plugged it in, even if it was plugged in and I used, let's say, YouTube, it went down to 0 within 5 minutes. So that means the battery's pretty much dead. So what I got is I replaced it with some here. See, it's say, look, it's brand new, right? Like I reset everything. I erased everything. I erased everything. That's how it comes out of the box when you reset it. Now you see, it's a 7%, and now it's dead again, right? Now it's dead again, which is pretty crazy. So when I say I'm going to replace something, I mean I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring because all these batteries and every electronic is made in China and made in Taiwan. So when a thing like that breaks on me and the battery no longer functions, I want to replace it immediately, right? Now my main iPad is upstairs. That's my main iPad that I watch the YouTube videos in bed, and I'll watch, Netflix in bed and stuff. So I went online last night, or yesterday I should say, and I looked at Amazon to see if I can get a cheap iPad. I don't want to spend $300 because, like I said, I don't really use it for my main iPad. I just use it for, like I said, my security camera, looking up recipes and stuff. I use it as a third screen, mainly, right? I'll put some apps on there. Now I bought a really cheap version of it because, like I said, I don't spend that much. So I found yesterday what I'm about to show you. It really packed this well. See, as you can see, it almost comes like a brand new box. See? It comes brand new. A box within a box. Wow, they really make it look brand new. Refurbished, guys. Refurbished. Now, for those of you who don't know what refurbished is not used. Refurbished means refurbished, right? Refurbished means that they took the device and they made a new battery and they put all new parts in. Now I'm going to show you this. This is really cool. It's almost like buying it from Apple. Now I know I didn't get the adapter, right? Because I don't even think Apple sells adapters anymore, right? I really don't think Apple even sells adapters. Oh, this is all, wow, this is all brand new. Like there's plastic over here. Like this plastic over here, you guys can see that. It's really like, wow. Holy mackerel. Holy moly macaroni. It's a factory, look at that. Oh, it does come with an adapter, holy shit. Holy shit. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't think Apple, oh no, it's the phones that they don't come with the adapters anymore, right? I think. I think the iPhones no longer come with adapters for free. You have to buy them. Well, anyway, this is crazy. It says if for any reason you need to return this device, you must log out of your iCloud account before sending the device to us. Well, I did better than that. I reset the whole thing. 2 reasons this matters to you. By not logging out of the iCloud or Google account, your personal information is put at risk and your refund will be denied. Okay. The white card in this box walks you through the process, signing out the iCloud account. Okay. Okay. I reset the whole thing. I'm sure I've signed out of the iCloud account. Okay. Because I've sent stuff to them. So what I did was I sent it to Gazelle. I'm going to be sending that to Gazelle, I should say. I'm sending this one to Gazelle.com. And I'll get about $38 for it, being the battery is gone. Wow, they sent me an adapter. Well, I don't need an adapter. This I'll put in the closet. So I'm going to put this in the closet now. So this is the old one, which no longer works because the battery's so friggin' old. And I wonder if it's the same dimensions. It is 9.7 inch screen. But what I'm wondering is if I can use the old case, because I have the old case from this one. Well, we'll see in a minute. We will see in a moment. Right? So this one. We will see in a moment. Right? Okay. I lost my shoe. I lost my shoe, guys. I honestly don't know where my shoe is. I'll have to go upstairs and look for my shoe. Anyway, so that's pretty crazy that they give you an adapter. That's crazy. Okay, so now I'll take this out somehow. It's all brand new, like it's. I gotta get a scissor. That's how crazy this is. Maybe I can use this just to make a hole to open this plastic up. It's almost like they factory sealed it. They factory seals it. You know? Like they factory sealed this sucker. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. I don't want to, it's a scratch. I'm being extra careful. That's why So this was only $100 on Amazon, right? And I got the 16 gigabyte version because, like I said, I don't need 128 gigabyte. I have one of those already. And I don't need the best of the best. I don't need the best of the best. So there you go. I got the black version. And the other side is space gray. I thought that looked really cool. Not that I really need it because it's going to be the thing anyway. So this looks like the same dimensions. Let me see. Let me see if I can put this in here. And I can turn it on probably. I'm going to turn it on. It'll probably give me that same logo. Right, as the one I just reset. The old one that I reset. Erase everything, erase all contents, erase everything. It'll probably give me the same exact logo as the factory reset one. But I just want to say, while this is booting up, $98, guys. The battery is more money than that, right? Oh, there you go. See, now it's going to go through the thing. But it's a little different because this is an iPad Air as opposed to an iPad 5th generation. An iPad Air. So, look, it's 89%. What I'm going to do, 88% up here. 88%. What I'm going to do, this is 88%. What I'm going to do is charge it up all the way to 100 right now. Well, let me see if this fits. If this fits, I'll be really happy because, to be honest with you, if this fits, the camera goes here. This is how you do it. It's so easy to do these. This is a plastic case I got. And then you put the rubber over it. So this goes like that. The camera goes that way. The camera goes that way. And then this fits in like this. Yes. Oh no, the other way. Small part goes over the camera. See? I got the same dimensions. I'm so happy. Don't have to worry about that craziness that the camera kept like going out on me. I use it for mostly the recipes. I really use it mostly for recipes and stuff. Now, this is like a stand if you want to go like that, right? But it has another protection. It has this rubber thing. It's got this rubber thing, right? Oh, should I have taken off the plastic first? Should I have taken off the plastic first, guys? I bet you it had plastic on it, right? I bet you it had plastic on it. Hold up. Hold up, my boo-boo. If that was factory sealed, right? I forgot to peel. I forgot to do the most important thing. I forgot to do the most important thing. I forgot to peel. Oh, anyway, I'll peel it later. I don't want to take apart the whole thing right now. I'll peel it later. I'll peel it later. And now, I want to put this up like this, because the camera has to face that. Right, there's the camera. And then you go like that. And I think this was like the, believe it or not, this rubber thing, wow, let's click together really nicely. There you go. Like brand new, like nothing happened for $100. And I'm going to get like $38 from the company. Right? So I'm going to set this up. So give me a thumbs up. You think it's pretty cool. Now I'm going to put this like this. Put this like this over there. See? Put that like this. And I can watch the recipes, do the news, watch my camera, my door camera, without having the battery die on me every 5 minutes. Okay? I don't really know how much they're going to give me. I'll let you know. They're supposed to send me a check once they get the item. So the way Gazelle works, I just want to say, is that they're supposed to give me a box, right? Like an empty box, like, I don't know. I guess like a box like this, right? They send you a box similar to this. I'm guessing, right? They send you a box similar to this, an empty box. And what they do is they give you a shipping label, Gazelle. They give you a shipping label that's already prepaid. And what you want to do is take the old one, put it in the box, ship it to them, and then they send you a check once they get the item. Now, I'm not expecting $100. I'm expecting, like they said, anywhere from $20 to $38. I put everything like brand new, working perfect, because like, what do they know? Like I'm taking a Pelham 123, everything working fine. I didn't tell them about the battery, obviously, but when they see it, they'll know. Now, last time I did business with them, they actually gave me more money than they said they would on the website. I think they said they were going to give me like 20-something dollars, and I ended up getting like 75 or 50, something crazy like that. So I don't know how much I'm going to be getting, but still, it's better than chucking it in the alley. Okay, guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. The unboxing of the new iPad, or the refurbished iPad anyway. And yeah, so I'm going to plug it in, get it to 100%, and I'll see if this is a really, new battery. It looked like new because it was 88%, so I want to see if it gets to 100% and how long it lasts. So I'm going to test that today. I'll test it with the camera, I guess. I'll keep the camera going all day, and if it lasts about 6 hours, I know there's a new battery in here. Not bad, right? I mean, just like give me a thumbs up if you think that's pretty cool. $100 for a brand new iPad, right? Well, it's not brand new, it's like a older version, but refurbished with a new battery. Take it easy, guys. Be well, stay safe, and keep prepping, right? Keep prepping. Because as you see, I keep replacing things. I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. I don't know if China's going to invade Taiwan and all the batteries that are made in China and made Taiwan are going to be over there, and I won't be able to do this anymore, right? I won't be able to do this because this will be in very high demand. All the batteries and all the electronics are made over there. Remember that. I don't think people remember that, right? That's why I replace things immediately. Okay? Take it easy. Stay safe. Stay prepped, guys. Bye for now.